This is 4x4shop.ca with the installation of a Mercedes interface video NTG 5.0 and 5.1 unit. Installation for a backup camera in a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Now, the first thing you're going to want to start with is the center console, where you're going to pry off the center console latch. Now you have to make sure that you push the two locking tab pins and then pry around the edges and then pull up. Then after that, there's two torque screws that you will remove to pull out the dash panel. Once that is done, you will lift up and pull back. And remember to release all of the wiring harnesses. Which are all located here. Then you will remove the two radio torque screws. Pull the clips forward to slide radio out. Then you will go to the top of the dash to pry up the speaker housing. Once that is pried up, you will need a long torx bit to go down the two holes to remove the two torque screws on each side that are locking in the monitor. Once done, slide monitor forward, release two clips, and put aside. Now, for this integration unit, you will have a T-harness supplied to you inside the box, which will control your power and your CAN bus wires. You need to remove the black plug, not the white one, the black plug. Then release the retaining clip and slide the new harness into place. And then you will plug the other end of the Mercedes harness in the supplied. Take note that there is a locking clip here. That is your indication that you are putting the cable the right way. So there is a slot where that locking pin will slide into. Then the same on the opposite end of the plug. You will slide it down to take into consideration that the locking pin locks right there in the groove. Then you will reinsert into plug. Now your power wire is supplied on the harness. You will run it underneath the dash to the cigarette lighter harness, where you will tap into the red, purple wire and the brown wire of the cigarette lighter. That will give you your radio ACC wire. After, you will route your video interface wire up the panel to the side and inside the bracket where the monitor sits. That will be the plug that will interface with the factory unit to switch it into reverse for the backup camera. will plug the harness into the supplied video splitter end. Now we supply 2 video output wires. You will check the orientation of the factory plug to see if it's facing forward or if it's facing down. Then you will add the corresponding wire. So here are your 2 wires. One wire for certain units will be facing forward, the other will be facing down. You would like to do that to keep the same aspect of the unit, because sometimes the wires will get caught in the back of the dash if you do not use the same wire. You will plug the factory end, and then you will plug this into the other side of the radio to complete your installation, and then just neatly tuck the wires inside your dash.
It's better to call the 2 if you have to.
Everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we are done with the backup camera for 2015 Mercedes C300. That's where we put the camera. That's built into the trunk handle release. And I'm going to show you how the unit works. This is our interface video to retain all the factory features, just adding backup camera to the NTG 5.0, 5.1. By going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera, and it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online. We're gonna put the link for the interface video at the link below, so you can buy it online. This unit can install in any type of Mercedes that they come with NTG 5.0, 5.1, such as GLA, CLA, C-Class, B-Class, and any other Mercedes. So again, if you want to buy them online, you can go to 4x4shop.ca or give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.